What's better than a $25 sign-up bonus? A $50 sign-up bonus. Now, if you need a little bit of extra cash just to get you over to next week or the next month or the following month, then watch this video. I'm going to share with you the current offers right now that are $50 or more, and we're going to start off with the current banking app. Real quick, for all of these sign-up bonus offers, you typically have to do something in exchange to get that free money. So just make sure that you are reading all of the fine print on these offers prior to signing up to make sure that you do actually qualify for everything, okay? So let's get back to the current banking app. You will earn a $50 sign-up bonus when you open a current individual account using a referral link. I will place that link in the descriptions of this YouTube video, so just look underneath the video for that link. You can also enter the referral code that you see on your screen as you are signing up. Once you do that, you then need to do a payroll direct deposit of $200 or more within 45 days to receive your $50. Now, if you use any sort of gig app like Uber Eats or Field Agent or Observa, any of those gig apps, you can connect that with Current and that will qualify as a payroll direct deposit. So then just get $200 or more, you'll get your $50, okay? Now, Current is a banking app. They do have these high yield savings accounts to help you grow your money. The other plus here is that you can earn an additional $50 referral bonus for each qualified person who signs up using your current referral code or your current referral link. You can earn upwards of $1,000 per year in referral income with Current. So the SoFi banking app also has a long running promotion. Since I've signed up, they've always had this $25 and $50 sign up bonus. Now I'm going to explain both of them real quick, but again, read the fine lines because this always changes. And so you just want to make sure you get this correct. Now, the $50 SoFi bank account bonus is when you, as an existing member or a brand new member, sign up for a SoFi checking and savings account, and you do a payroll direct deposit anywhere between $1,000 to $4,999 within the promotional period. So basically, as soon as you sign up, they give you about 25 days to do that direct deposit to where you can get your $50 sign up bonus. But I think that's such a short period of time. By the time you switch your payroll direct deposit and do all those things, I think it's much easier to get the $25 sign up bonus from SoFi. Now, for that bonus, you simply open up a new SoFi checking and savings account. You're a new customer. You use a referral link. Again, I'll place all these links underneath the video. And then you simply transfer $50 from, say, your checking account at another bank. You transfer that into your SoFi banking account within 21 days. You have to do that within 21 days. And automatically, boom, you're going to get $25 cash bonus provided to you by SoFi into your account. SoFi also has this insanely good $75 referral bonus program. So essentially, you will get $75 per person you refer to SoFi that completes the $25 sign up bonus. So essentially, you use your referral link, you give it to your spouse, your friend, they sign up for a new SoFi checking and savings account, they transfer $50 into their bank account, they get $25, you get $75. Now, I normally make a few $100s every single month with this bonus. It's one of the best app bonuses out there. So if you're into referral marketing, this is a definite one to sign up for. There's also a lot of really good Swagbucks sign up bonus offers available right now. Now, again, these are time sensitive. So by the time you watch this video, they may be gone, but I will update my blog post, which I will post down below in the YouTube description. So you'll see the link down below. I will be updating that page for the newest $50 offers. But the one that they have right now that I want to alert you to is the TD Bank sign up offer. So you will earn a $90 bank bonus without direct deposit requirement by opening a TD Beyond checking account through a Swagbucks offer link. That link is down below. Now, this is one of the easiest sign up bonus offers since it doesn't require any sort of direct deposit from you. A lot of people always look for that, but I will advise you to keep an eye out for the fees tied to this bank account because the TD Beyond checking account, it does come with a $25 monthly maintenance fee, but you can avoid it if you can maintain a daily balance of at least $2,500, or if you can complete direct deposits, I believe of $5,000 or more within a cycle. So if you can swing that, then this is a great bonus to grab. Another really good banking bonus that caught my eye was the GoToBank sign up bonus offer. Now, again, this is through a Swagbucks referral link. So for this this one, you will get a $100 sign up bonus by opening a GoTo bank account through a Swagbucks offer link and receiving a payroll or government benefits direct deposit. Now, I was reading the fine print. I didn't see anywhere where it said you needed a minimum direct deposit, but you can go ahead, read through that, because I want to make sure that you absolutely get your bank bonus offer. But I went through it a couple times, didn't see it. If you by chance see it, comment down below if you notice anything. But a lot of these bonuses are from Swagbucks offers. Now, if you are not familiar with Swagbucks, I've earned over $2,500 with the money making website. They're also known as a rebate website. I wrote up an entire review of all the different ways you can make money from home with Swagbucks. My review is down below in the YouTube description. Discover also has a Swagbucks promotion. So in order to earn the $80 sign up bonus, you need to open a Discover checking account through a Swagbucks offer link and deposit at least $50. Now, in order to qualify, you'll need to keep the $50 in your account for the entire first month after opening. So for 30 straight days, you need to keep that $50 deposit in your account. If you take it out before then, you will not get the bonus. So just make sure you pay attention to that. Now, the Discover debit checking account is very similar to the other online banking apps. They offer no monthly fees. They have access to over 60,000 fee-free ATMs, and they do offer 1% cash back on up to $3,000 in debit card purchases each month. That's pretty low. A lot of the other debit cards offer a much higher cashback rewards. So I wouldn't really be using this for anything much more than the sign up bonus, quite frankly. Now, you will also get early direct deposit, you get mobile check deposit, and you get fraud protection. So again, the link is down below. Okay, so for this next one, I'm switching it up a bit. I wasn't even sure if I should include this, but I think a lot of you might appreciate this because you can earn $300 really fast with this one. Okay, so this is not a sign up bonus. This is an app referral bonus, and this is a $60 referral bonus offer where you can sign up to 5 people and earn $300 fast. Now, this is best suited for couples, and I'll tell you why. So this is the Revolut banking app card. There's over 50 million users worldwide using this already, so it's a very popular banking app, but it doesn't offer an incentive for you to sign up with a referral link. But you will earn a referral bonus if someone signs up with your referral link, which is why it's great for a couple or for friends who are really tight, I guess, if you want to help out your friend. So essentially what you do here is you sign up for a Revolut card. I do have a referral link. If you want to use it, definitely go ahead. It's down below, but sign up for a Revolut card. Once you sign up for your card, then use your Revolut referral link, give it to your spouse, have them sign up, and then have them add money to their account, like $40, $50, $60. They also have to order a physical card. Okay. So I got my physical card in the mail for free. They didn't charge me. I'm in the US. So order the physical card. But you can also add your card, your temporary card, into your Apple Wallet. You can start using it immediately. Now, your spouse, your friend, they do have to make 3 purchases of $10 minimum purchases each. Okay, so 3 times they have to do a purchase of $10 or more within the promotional period. You earn $60. Okay, so I'm going to try to include that information in the blog post. It's not in there right now, but I will update it. And I will also, again, keep the blog post updated with all of the $50 sign up bonus offers. Do me a favor, guys, real quick before you leave, go ahead, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel if you want more information just like this. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.